Great year, folks. You are welcome to Banahene Tutorial Collections. And in this PowerPoint interface, I have all these slides in the slides pane. And if I want to create a new slide, maybe if I want to create a new slide below this, I have to select this. Or if I want to create a new slide below this, I have to select it. Therefore, I want to create a new slide below this last slide we have here. So I'm going to select this and then hold Control key and letter M, and this creates a new slide below this slide 5 because I selected this slide. If I select this and I hold Control plus M, that is going to create a new slide below the selected previous slide. So this is how to create a new slide in PowerPoint. If you want to duplicate a slide and make some small editing or modification, you select the slide and hold Control plus D, and that is going to make a new duplicate of this particular slide. So you can see that I have slide 2, slide 3, and this have the same content. So if you want to make small editing or small modification in this slide, you can do so. And this Control plus D is called the smart copying. Now, if you want to draw a perfect shape in Microsoft PowerPoint, let me move to the new slide, and I'm going to change this to blank layout. Now when you move to the home tab, we have the drawing group, and if I select the oval shape and I want to draw a perfect circle, I'm going to hold Control Shift and then click to drag this, and that is going to draw a perfect circle. This is not only applied to circles. If you want to draw a perfect square, you select the rectangle shape, shift Control and click, and this draws a perfect circle. If I want to draw a triangle, you select, shift Control, and this draws a perfect triangle for you. So when it comes to drawing a perfect shape in Microsoft PowerPoint, always use the application of Control and the Shift key and draw your shape. Now the next thing I want to share with you is how to save a PowerPoint file easily. You can press the F12 on the keyboard, and this keyboard shortcut is meant for whether it's a new presentation or an existing presentation. When you use the F12, this allows you to give a file name that is a different file name, and also to save it to a different location. You can also hold Control F12 on the keyboard. This also opens the open dialog box where you can open an existing presentation into your PowerPoint application. Now the next thing I want to share with you is how to protect a PowerPoint file. This is when you want to prevent people from accessing your PowerPoint presentation file. What you have to do is to click on File, and then you choose Info, and then when you select Info, you have Protect Presentation. I'm going to click on this drop down arrow and choose Encrypt with Password. Now this gives you the option to protect your presentation file by entering a password. So you enter the password, then you click on OK, and this tells you to re-enter your password to confirm. And this is going to protect your presentation file from people accessing it. These are the 5 things I want to share with you in this PowerPoint tutorials.